Sister Brittany B. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. I do a lot of DIY videos, hair videos, and all kinds of stuff. So make sure you join my channel. But anyway, welcome back, guys. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing another DIY video. Today's video consists of mostly just Dollar Tree products. I'll explain that later. But due to what's going on around the world, I wanted to make a DIY video of hand sanitizer because it's getting gone so quickly. So why not just make your own? I know it seems really cheap just to buy hand sanitizer, but I just think it's better to make your own. So let's just get straight into this video. So what you'll need is some alcohol. Now this alcohol is actually Dollar Tree alcohol, and it's only 50% isopropyl. I don't know how to say it, but 50%. You need at least 70 to 90%, but I'm doing this for video purposes only. But you need 70 to 90% alcohol, okay, to kill bacteria. The next thing you'll need is some aloe vera gel, which is from the Dollar Tree. Or you can get it anywhere, but I like the cheapest thing, so Dollar Tree. And you'll need containers. These are actually right at Dollar Tree, like a 3-pack, but this one is cuter, so I'm gonna use this one, and it's smaller. It came in this little travel package. Hold on. So it's cute. I think this was cuter. You can also just put it inside your Bath and Body Works little thing to go in your keys. If you want to do that, make it like more cute. And I also have this essential oil from Dollar Tree. This is lavender. It's a roll-on, so I'm gonna see if I can like crack it open. Anyway, I'm not gonna use measurements. I'm just gonna squeeze it in the bottle. So first, I'm gonna take the alcohol and just pour some in a bottle. Ooh, I'm making a mess, y'all, so be careful. Alright, I'm pouring it all over the floor. Alright, y'all, I put a lot of alcohol because the point is the alcohol, okay? So if I put this much alcohol in the bottle, depending on how thick you want is how much aloe vera gel you put in it. I don't want it really watery, but I hate sticky hand sanitizer. So I'm just gonna squeeze. Okay. And put the top on and just shake it up. It's roll on, so I don't like when DIYs make you spend too much money, and this was $1, so I don't want to go buy expensive essential oil if I gotta pay a lot. So I'm gonna pop this off with my scissors if I can. I'm doing this with y'all, so I really don't know how this gonna work. Oh, it came off easy. Okay, so here it is. This is how it's looking so far. Y'all see that? Alright, so I'm gonna take this oil. I don't have a drop or anything, so I'm just gonna, oh, it smells really strong. I don't know if I would choose lavender. Choose whatever you want though. I'm gonna put just a little bit. Okay. And you can put the roll back on if you want to. I don't know what I did with it, but you can put it back on. So let's just shake this up. All right, let's see how it's looking. Let's try it. Let me get real close. Yay, and it works. It's thin. Smells good. It smells so alcoholic though. So yeah, you can do less alcohol if you want to, but that's pretty much the video. And I'm very excited. And I'll talk to y'all on my next video. Thanks for watching.